We got another bad news for Mullen. There's a new SEC filing. Then things are not looking good again for Mullen stock. And again, I've been saying that from day one that Mullen does not have investors, and only thing they can do right now is sell their stock for dirt cheap and these warrants and everything. And now this is exactly what is happening again with this new SEC filing that came out today. Let's take a look and you'll be surprised that this is actually happening. All right. So basically on June 5th, Mullen Automotive entered into a letter agreement in connection with the company's existing security purchase agreement dated as June 7, 2022, amended on June 23rd, 2022, September 19, 2022, November 15, 2022, and April 3rd, 2023. The term of the security purchase agreement, including the warrants, were previously reported in the company's current report on Form 8K filed with the SEC on June 10, 2022. Now, what is this agreement is about? Let's take a look. Basically, Aquitas Capital just paid $20 million, all right, and they're getting 19 million shares, plus they're getting a warrant of 8.7 million shares, which again is exercisable right away. All right, the price of the shares, like the warrant, is 001. So it's not even a cent or 10 cents or 2 cents. It's basically, this is the price per share. Okay, this is exercisable on top of what they're going to get, 19 million shares. Okay, in addition, the company also issued to Aquitas warrants exercisable for 50 million shares. That will be price 72. So they can exercise it when the price is above 72 cents. That's on top of the whatever, the shares they're going to get. So basically what is happening right now is there's more dilution coming to Mullen stock. Again, in order to raise capital, you need cash, and the cash flow is very terrible right now. And the stock price itself is going down to the original 2 cents again. As I've been saying, even though stock price right now is 69 cents, with the original value before the reverse stock split, the stock was really down. And I've been making videos for you guys, and I told you guys that right now Mullen stock is coming down, and it's definitely going to come down even further down, because after this dilution that is coming immediately to this, most of it is coming right after, because the price they're paying, Aquitas Capital is paying, is basically its profit for them, because they're just going to give them cash, right? So Mullen needs cash to be able to get all, whatever they new pay salaries and things like that. Operating cash flow is basically, it's a shit, right? Like, they don't have a lot of operating cash flow, which means they're for paying their expenses, they need cash, all right? So the only way they could get cash is by selling these stocks and these warrants, okay? And no investors are coming into the play. Like, institutions are not coming to play Mullen right now, okay? And the only way they can really do is keep selling the stock, right? And this is where I've been saying from day one that you guys as investors needs to be smart, because you guys are the main investor for this company. It's basically 95% retail investors, like people you and I, are invested in the company, and this is where they're getting the capital from. So I say, look, guys, I'm making daily videos on the stock, right? I'm not here to badmouth the stock. I'm not here to, derail the stock. All I'm saying is there's a lot going on that if you're looking into getting into the stock, I would say, have some benchmark, like where do you want to get in, right? Right now, in my opinion, the stock is steady coming down, and I think it's going to come down to, I do believe it's going to go down to 20 cents again, because the fact of the matter is there are no investors. Every time these guys need money, they sell out warrants to the stock, keep diluting the stock, and the price of the stock they're selling it at 001, right? It's not even like a 10 cents. Once, like, it's dirt cheap, right? Basically, they give cash and they take the stock and they're going to sell it to you to make that money with profit, basically, right? If they're paying 20 million, they're going to make that 40 million in no time, basically, right? So basically, this is what's happening right now. Hope you guys are taking notes. Hope you guys are subscribed to the channel, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video.